How does it feel to live in a high-rise condo nearby Lake Ontario in downtown Toronto, with direct access to Pass, the largest underground city in North America? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in GTA. The building behind me is the famous Ice Condo. Ice Condo is by the lakeshore of Lake Ontario. It is right next to the Scotiabank Arena. Let's go inside and check out this 1 bedroom+1 den condo apartment. See you later. Let's take a look at the inside of this unit. On the right-hand side of the entrance is a bathroom. The area of this bathroom is quite large. It has a sink, a toilet, and a bathtub with a shower. Here's a small den on my left. It is an open space with enough area to use it as a study room. Okay, now let's look at the kitchen and the living room. On my right-hand side is our kitchen. The kitchen has an L-shaped structure and is decorated in a modern style. There is a lot of storage space. The size of the countertop is more than enough for a small family or a young couple. This range hood also uses a modern linear design. Our oven and microwave are built in, quite premium. Here's our living room. A sofa is on the right side of the coffee table. It is facing a bookshelf now, but we can replace it with a TV stand. We can put a dining table where I'm standing now, since there is still quite some space. Now, let's go outside and check out the balcony. The balcony is very wide. This is its surroundings. We can see a big S over there. That is the Scotiabank Arena, the home of Toronto Raptors. Imagine you were here when Raptors championed. Alright, this is how our balcony looks like. I think the balcony is at least 100 square feet, so we can sit outside and enjoy the sunshine in summer. Let's stand here and look at the living room from this angle. Next, let's see the only bedroom in this unit. It has a large floor-to-ceiling window, so very bright inside, filled with sunlight. The area is about 60 to 70 square feet. There is a large wardrobe with double sliding mirrored doors on my right-hand side with plenty of storage space. Let's look at the bedroom from this angle. This unit is very suitable for gold-collar workers who work nearby in financial district because it is only a few minutes walk away. It also has the direct access to Pass, which is the largest underground city in North America. Some say the world. This is how this 1+1 condo unit looks like. Once again, its location is very convenient. This unit is in the 10-day limited period of exclusive listing with only $608,000. Absolutely no bidding is required. This is over $30,000 less than the similar units listed on MLS. With a price just above $600K, you can get this fabulous 1+1 in the heart of downtown Toronto. Entertainment, commute, shopping, fine dining are all at your footstep. Please contact me immediately to take advantage of this great offer.